Hi, this is a very typical dessert on Catalonia for St. John's Day. It takes some time to prepare at home, but it's worth the effort. Let's start heating 400 grams of milk with a stick of cinnamon and lemon zest. Simmer until the milk boils. Then maintain the fire for 2 minutes and let cool. When milk is warm, add 100 grams of flour in a bowl, 500 grams of dry baker's yeast. Mix well and add 100 grams of previously heated milk, passing it through a colander. Mix well with a spatula or a wooden spoon. Cover with transparent film and let rest all night. Prepare also a mix of 2 tablespoons of sugar, a bit of anise and water. If the mix seems too wet, add some extra sugar. Next day, add 400 grams of flour in the bowl, 100 grams of sugar, 200 grams of the milk heated the day before, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix well everything first in the bowl. Then knead it to obtain a soft and silky dough. To knead it, lift with your hands, turn 90 degrees, bash to the table, drag it to you, and then with a wrist move fold over itself. You need to repeat these movements for a quite long time, perhaps 8 to 15 minutes, until the dough looks silky. Now spread the dough and add over 50 grams of butter in small pieces. The butter should be for some hours out of fridge, so it will be easier to integrate in the dough. Once the butter is well integrated in the dough, we need to knead again in the same way as before, and again for some quite long time. Once you finish kneading, keep the dough on the bowl covered with a transparent film and let rest 4 to 5 hours. You can do the custard now. To prepare it, add on a bowl half liter of milk, 100 grams of sugar and 3 egg yolks. To keep away the egg yolks, crush the egg and move the egg yolk from each half part of the eggshell. Add also a tablespoon of corn flour and whisk it with energy. You can also add some ground cinnamon and vanilla extract to make it more tasty. Put this mix on a pot and simmer while stirring with a wooden spoon. Take patience, as you will need to stir until it reduces and gets consistent, and this could take about 20 minutes. Cover and let cool. After resting the dough, it's time to take it out of the bowl and knead it a bit, like a minute. Divide the dough into pieces and spread them over a baking paper, using your hands or a rolling pin. Let rest for about 3 hours. Don't worry if you see the dough too thick and fragile. It will grow again. Finally, last steps. Paint the surface with a whisked egg and cover with custard. Well, in the video I did upside down, because it's more easy to paint first and then add the custard. Spread over the sugar mix with anise and water, pine seeds, laminated almonds and some candied cherries. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 15 minutes and let cool before eating. If you like this recipe, you can share with your friends on Twitter or Facebook. You can give us a like or subscribe to our channel to receive new recipes. See you next time!